Dear students, in this video, I will discuss about a short topic that was in your university exams once asked, and the question was, what is the impact of personal behavior of a person on communication skills? So basically the question was how an individual's behavior can influence the communication that he has with his employees or with his colleagues or with individuals. That is how the individual behavior can influence the interpersonal relations that the person is having. So as you can see in the material, an improper or a bad personal behavior causes or acts as a barrier in communication process. If you are having a bad personal behavior, then this will act as a barrier. That is, it will hamper or it will harm your communication, and this can be seen with the people who actually lack in the following things. Now, what are the major reasons because of which you can say that so and so person is having a bad behavior which will result in hampering or causing harm to his interpersonal communication? Firstly, he will be having lack of listening skills. People love to talk to those who listen to them. The efficiency of communication process gets disturbed when the receiver listens only with ears and do not use his mind to listen to the information. As you can see, this person will only listen with his ears. He will only do the passive listening but not the active listening, will not get involved in giving time and understanding and responding to what he has heard from the people. And so the people will feel that they are not being given importance, that they are at times let down, and thus his communication will be a failure. Second, as you can see, is selective attention. Attention, you all know, is being focused. Selective attention, partly focused and partly not focused. This problem arises when the person is impatient and puts his objective above all. So this person will lack patience, that is, giving time to the other person to complete whatever he or she has to say. He will only focus on what he wants to hear, what is important to him, and the rest part or rest portion he will not focus or not try to get. He gives ears to only that part of information which is helpful for him and fulfills his objective and ignores all the other things. So he will be ignoring what is not according to his demands or his needs or his expectations, and this will also result in his communication failure because of his bad behavior. So here we discussed two important points behind the personal bad behavior that results in communication failure. They are lack of listening skills and selective attention. Thank you.